Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arcoin. Myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss on modes of connecting internet. There are several ways to connect internet. So I will discuss each and every mode. So go to the computer screen. Today I will discuss on topic modes of connecting internet. Okay. So at first we should know about internet. The internet developed from the ARPANET, which was funded by the US government to support projects within the government and at universities and research laboratories in the US, but grew over time to include most of world's large universities and research arms of many technology companies. Okay, used by a wider audience only came in 1995 when restrictions on the use of internet to carry commercially traffic were lifted, right? In addition to access from home, school and workplace, internet access may be available from public places such as libraries and internet cafes where computers with internet connections are available. Some libraries provide stations for physically connecting users' laptops to local area networks, right? Now we talk about internet access. Internet access is the ability of individuals and organizations to connect the internet using computer terminals, computers, and other devices, and to access services such as email and World Wide Web. Okay? Internet access is sold by internet service providers, means ISPs, delivering connectivity at a wide range of data transfer rates via various networking technologies. Many organizations include a growing number of municipal entities also provide cost-free wireless access and landlines, right? Availability of internet access was once limited but has grown rapidly. In 1995, only 0.04% of the world's population had access, with well over half of those living in the United States. And consumer use was through dial-up, right? By the first decade of the 21st century, many consumers in developed nations used faster broadband technology. Okay, and by 2014, 41% of the world's population had access. Broadband was almost ubiquitous worldwide, and global average connection speeds exceeded 1 megabit per second. Okay, the internet is a global wide area network, means WAN, that connects computer systems across the world. It includes several high bandwidth data lines that comprise the internet backbone. Okay, these lines are connected to major internet hubs that distribute data to other locations such as web servers and ISPs, right? Now we talk about modes of connecting internet. When determining which type of internet connection is right for us or our family, it is important to understand the distinction between each connection, right? In today's age, there are numerous ways to connect laptops, desktops, mobile phones, gaming consoles, e-readers, and tablets to the internet. So there exist several ways to connect to the internet. The following are these connection types available, and they are like dial-up connection, ISDN, DSL, cable TV internet connections, satellite internet connections, wireless internet connections, broadband, mobile connection, hotspot, USB ethering. Okay, so at first I discuss on dial-up connection. Dial-up connection uses telephone line to connect PC to the internet. It requires a modem to set up dial-up connection. This modem works as an interface between PC and the telephone line. There is also a communication program that instructs the modem to make a call to specific number provided by an ISP. Dial-up connection uses either of the following protocols. One is your serial line internet protocol known as SLIP, and another is point-to-point protocol known as PPP. And the diagram shows the dial-up connections. Okay. Dial-up connections require users to link their phone line to a computer in order to access the internet. This particular type of connection, also referred to as analog, does not permit users to make or receive phone calls through their home phone service while using the internet, right? Now we talk about ISDN. ISDN is acronym of Integrated Services Digital Network. It establishes the connection using the phone lines which carry digital signals instead of analog signals. There are two techniques to deliver ISDN services. One is basic rate interface known as BRI, and another is primary rate interface known as PRI. The BRI-ISDN consists of three distinct channels on a single ISDN line, okay, which is 1 to 64 kbps. B means the bearer channel, and 1 16 kbps. D means delta or data channels, okay. The PRI ISDN consists of 23 B channels and 1 D channels, with both have operating capacity of 64 kbps, individually making a total transmission rate of 1.54 Mbps, right? The following diagram shows the ISDN connection, right? Now we talk about DSL connection, right? DSL is acronym of Digital Subscriber Line. It is a form of broadband connection as it provides connection over ordinary telephone lines. Following are the several versions of DSL technique available today, like asymmetric DSL known as ADSL, symmetric DSL known as SDSL, high bitrate DSL known as HDSL, rate adaptive DSL known as RDSL, very high bitrate DSL known as VDSL, ISDN DSL known as IDSL. Okay, all of the above mentioned technologies differ in their upload and download speed, bit transfer rate, and level of service. Okay, the following diagram shows the DSL technology which is used to connect the internet, right? DSL, which stands for Digital Subscriber Line, uses existing two-wire copper telephone line connected to one's home, so service is delivered at the same time as landline telephone service, right? Customers can still place calls while surfing the internet, right? Now I talk about cable TV internet connection. Cable TV internet connection is provided through cable TV lines. It uses coaxial cable which is capable of transferring data at much higher speed than common telephone line. Okay. A cable modem is used to access this service provided by the cable operator. Okay. The cable modem comprises of two connections, one for internet service and other for cable TV signals. Since cable TV internet connections share a set amount of bandwidth with a group of customers, therefore data transfer rate also depends on number of customers using the internet at the same time. And the following diagram shows the cable TV connection through which how internet is accessed, right? Now we talk about satellite internet connection. Satellite internet connection offers high speed connection to the internet. There are two types of satellite internet connections are there, one-way connection and another is two-way connection. In one-way connection we can only download data, but if we want to upload we need a dial-up access through ISP over telephone line, right? In two-way connection, we can download and upload the data by the satellite. It does not require any dial-up connection. And the following diagram shows the satellite internet connection through which how internet is accessed, right? In certain areas where broadband connection is not yet offered, a satellite internet option may be available. Similar to wireless access, satellite connection utilizes a modem. Okay. Now we talk about wireless internet connection. Wireless internet connection makes use of radio frequency bands to connect to the internet and offers a very high speed. The wireless internet connection can be obtained by Wi-Fi also known as wireless fidelity, right? Wi-Fi wireless technology is based on IEEE 802.11 standards, which allow the electronic device to connect to the internet. Okay, Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity and is the same thing as saying WLAN, which stands for wireless local area network. Wi-Fi is a wireless networking technology that allows devices such as computers like laptop or desktop, mobile devices like smartphone, wearable devices, and other equipment like printer and video camera to interface with the internet. Okay, radio frequency bands are used in place of telephone or cable networks. One of the greatest advantages of wireless internet connections is the always on connection that can be accessed from any location that falls within the network coverage. Okay, wireless connections are made possible through the use of a modem which picks up internet signals and sends them to other devices. Wireless connectivity, often known as Wi-Fi, is a technology that allows a PC, laptop, mobile phone, or tablet device to connect at high speed to the internet without the need for a physical wired connection. Okay, internet connectivity occurs through a wireless router. When we access Wi-Fi, we are connecting to a wireless router that allows us Wi-Fi compatibility devices to interface with the internet, right? Now we talk about other connectivity like broadband, mobile and hotspot. So at first we discuss the broadband. This high-speed internet connection is provided through either cable or telephone companies. One of the fastest option available, broadband internet uses multiple data channels to send large quantities of information. The term broadband is shorthand for broad bandwidth. Broadband internet connections such as DSL and cable are considered high bandwidth connections. Okay, although many DSL connections can be considered broadband, not all broadband connections are DSL. Next one, mobile. Many cell phone and smartphone providers offer voice plans with internet access. Mobile internet connections provide good speeds and allow you to access the internet. Next connectivity, hotspots. Hotspots are sites that offer internet access over a wireless local area network by way of a router that then connects to an internet service provider. Hotspots utilize Wi-Fi technology, which allows electronic devices to connect to the internet or exchange data wirelessly through radio waves. Hotspots can be phone-based or freestanding, commercial or free to the public, right? Now we talk about USB Ethering. Ethering or phone as modem known as PAM is the sharing of mobile devices internet connection with other connected computers. Okay, connection of a mobile device with other devices can be done over wireless LAN means Wi-Fi, over Bluetooth, or by physical connection using a cable, for example through USB means universal serial bus. Ethering basically refers to connecting a device to another in order to share the internet connection. When it is done using a USB cable, it is called USB Ethering. Okay. If Ethering is done over WLAN, the feature may be branded as a personal hotspot or mobile hotspot, which allows the device to serve as a portable router. Mobile hotspots may be protected by a PIN or password. Okay. When the mobile internet connection is shared with connected computer using a physical cable like USB, then it is called USB Ethering. Okay, compare USB Ethering with mobile hotspot, then we can say there is a one difference is there. In case of USB Ethering, the internet speed obtained in connected computer is faster, but in case of mobile hotspot, while the internet speed is little slow using hotspot. Okay, I hope that you have understood today's topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical Arquin. Thank you and bye bye.